Yo guys, welcome by a new video. Today we're gonna test the new MTB hopper ramp. It will be a little bit different than you're used to us, but I hope you enjoy it.
Intoxicated, I'm a waste. Hoping I can drown the sorrows, but I love that bitter taste. So I'm addicted to it. Visions of you. Come closer, 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 closer. Come closer, 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 closer. Visions of you. Half past 9 and I can't see straight. I'm hoping that I'll make it tomorrow, but right now I can't feel my face. I'm intoxicated, I'm a waste. Hoping I can drown the sorrows, but I love that bitter taste. Half past 9 and I can't see straight. I'm hoping that I'll make it tomorrow, but right now I can't feel my face. I'm intoxicated, I'm a waste. Hoping I can drown the sorrow, but I love that bitter taste. Visions of you. Come closer. Half past 9 and I can't see straight. I'm hoping that I'll make it tomorrow, but right now I can't feel my face. I'm intoxicated, I'm a waste. Hoping I can drown the sorrows, but I love that bitter taste.
As you just saw in the edit, we went to our local downhill trails. We met a couple of friends of us. Their Instagram will be down in the description, make sure to follow them. They make insane content. They're really great guys, very nice, real good riders, and I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to let us know if you like this and if you want to see more diversity in our channel. And make sure to leave like, subscribe, and if you liked it, make sure to comment